That voice surgery was pretty painful, but at least I have a better voice now. Anyways, what should I do?
Hey Caillou, I am going to Rosie's birthday party right now. I had to get some stuff, so now we'll go.
Can I come to the party?
No. BQ's you.
Yeah, I'm grounded for 432-863-487-698-3476-897-983-479-683-473 quintillion years. I get it.
Okay, so don't do anything stupid, or you will get you know what. Okay, see you later.
I guess I will watch some TV then. Oh my god, what is happening? Hello, we interrupt you to bring you this message.
Weather reporters have spotted a tornado forming. I think an alert will pop up soon.
The following message has been transmitted by the request of the Go City Weather Center. AF5 tornado has been spotted forming 5 miles away from Go City, and it will hit Goanimate City soon, so head to a basement, and hope you don't die. If you don't, then kiss your butt goodbye.
Oh crap, I have to head to the basement. Oh crap, the basement door is locked, and my parents are out. I guess I will hide under the couch. I'm going to die. I need to find a house.
Mac, you super save me.
I got thrown in. That was funny. Well, I need to find a house. Yes, a house. I got to go inside. Yes, I made it into the house. Wait a minute. Would it be a good idea to stay in a house in a tornado? What if the house flipped over after the tornado stone? Well, it can't be that bad.